This cinema studies course distinguishes itself by its examination of B films produced in Latin America. These unconventional stories reveal as much about a society and culture as any other. Film has both the power to perpetuate these tools and mindsets, or it can disrupt them and present new paradigms. In this course, we explore both critical analysis and the creation of film, specifically applying gender theory and national ideological frameworks to see the social values and power structures of Latin America in the 20th and 21st centuries. Being mindful of how history has constructed a particular image and role of women, it is up to us as cultural critics to deconstruct these narratives and create new stories that push us forward towards greater inclusion and equity. We have the power to use B-film cinematic practices to reveal differing attitudes about modernity, global integration, popular culture, the dominance of Hollywood, and the role of gender, class, and race in society.